guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. First off, I want to say thank you for all your patience while I was gone in the month of December. I did move back into my old home with my ex-husband, soon-to-be husband, but we ended up getting sick in the middle of that, so there was about 2.5 weeks that it kind of, this upper respiratory virus, whatever it is, has just torn through the house. But I was able to get out of my rental, I think on the 30th or the 31st. So today is the 4th that I'm filming, but I do have some new releases that I just want to pop on here real quick and show you. These will be releasing in my shop at 𝗠𝗟𝗡𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠 on Monday, January 6th, and we're going to just do midnight Eastern Standard Time, which probably means that Sunday night on the 5th around 10-11 o'clock Eastern Time PM. I'm going to go ahead and add these to my website. So I do have a 25% off coupon code for you. That code is going to be in all capital letters, winter, WINTER, and the number 25. And that'll save you 25% off your entire purchase. Free shipping is available for orders over $100 or more. No code needed for the free shipping. So let's get started and I want to show you all of these new designs. So this release is kind of all over the place. There's a little bit of spring, a little bit of winter, some Valentine's. So I just couldn't make up my mind. So I think there's 8 total designs in this release. This first one is called Pretty Plaid. So this gave me all the spring vibes and I'm ready to use it. Of course, we have our matching boxes here. So Pretty Plaid matching boxes come in the large sheet, which is approximately 7 by 9. We have the large sheet, again 7 by 9. And then we have the small sheet, which is approximately 5 by 7. And then we have our mini sheet, which is approximately 3 by 5. So that is Pretty Plaid. We have Polar Days. So again, we have a nice mixture of seasons and holidays in here. So look at the colors in Polar Days. I really love these colors. Very cute stickers. So Polar Days, we have the large, the small, and the mini with the matching boxes. And then we have for Valentine's Day, we have love letters. I love these. These are so cute. The colors are just so dainty and pretty. So we have love letters with your matching boxes, your large sheet, small sheet, and mini sheets. And then we have 2 different Planner Girl collections. We have Mint Planner. I love these colors. So there's your matching boxes for Mint Planner. In the large sheet, the small sheet, and the mini sheets. And then we have Pink Planner. And if you'll notice, I think there's animals in every single design that's released. And I just love animals, and I think they just add a really cute element to your planner. So this is Pink Planner with your matching boxes, your large sheets, small sheets, and mini sheets. Then we have Spring Dreams. So again, dreaming of spring. It's really cold here right now, in the 20s at night, so which is typical for January on the southeast coast. But you have your matching boxes, and then your large sheets. You have the small sheet and the mini sheets. And I think my Jesus music made me a little loud, so I'm going to turn it down some. And then we have 2 different collections, one for dog lovers and one for cat lovers. We do not have matching boxes to go with these. I think black boxes or neutral tone boxes would be fine to pair with these, so I did not do any boxes. So look at these cute little breeds. Cute, cute puppies. So this is your large sheet, your small sheet, and then your mini sheet. And then look at the gorgeous cats for cat lover. They're so cute and so pretty. So that's your large sheet, your small sheet, and your mini sheet. So just wanted to show you real quick the new releases that will release on Monday, January 6th at midnight Eastern Standard Time. Again, that code is winter in all capital letters, WINTER, with the number 25 at the end. You can use that code at checkout. That code will be available for January 6th through the 12th. I will be out of basically town / the country the 13th, actually the 12th through the 18th / 19th. So I will be working on orders until we leave. So if you place your order before, I'd say the 10th maybe the 11th. There's a good possibility that will ship out, but again, I will be out of the country until the 18th, 19th, so keep that in mind. But the website is pleasantlyplanned.com. So that is it for this video. I'm going to film some plan with me's. I look forward to seeing you guys over on those videos. Thank y'all so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye, y'all.